So you're thinking about changing the home, your current home location, size up, size down. What should I do first? Give us a call or reach out. The best thing to do, in my opinion, is to get pre qualified first. There's no cost and no obligation to do this. Maybe you just want to do some research and spitball some ideas back and forth. If you put this down or that down, or if you moved in this price home, maybe your family is growing, maybe the kids have moved out, or maybe you just need to change and right size your home for today. I know my husband and I did that when the kids all moved out from college, etc. We needed to downsize a little bit, but we also didn't need the configuration of our home the way it was for when the kids were young and living with us. So, the best thing to do is get pre qualified. Go ahead and reach out, and we will run some numbers for you to see if it makes sense. And then we can do the formal paperwork if and when you're ready to go. But that is the process because what happens a lot is our clients will say they're just looking. A house pops on the market, they love it, and then we're not quite ready. And so we end up in a big scramble. Scrambles are fine, but I'm more of the methodical planning and let's do that research first. So give us a call if you're thinking about moving up, moving down, or right sizing. Okay.